Remember when rejecting cookies felt like a personality trait? Back then, every website looked like it was trying to steal your identity. You'd land on a recipe blog for chocolate cake, and before you even saw the ingredients, there it was. Accept all cookies? Absolutely not. You hit reject all like you were defending national security. You opened incognito for searches you'd already made 100 times. You covered your webcam with tape because a tiny blinking light felt suspicious. You denied a flashlight app access to your contacts because, honestly, why does a flashlight need to know who your mom is? Some of you even read the terms and conditions. Not because anyone enjoys reading 30 pages of legal jargon, but because maybe this was the one company secretly admitting they were harvesting your soul. We became experts at saying no. No cookies, no tracking, no unnecessary permissions, no creepy browser extensions, no random apps asking for access to everything. Then AI showed up, and somehow, we folded, almost overnight. Today, people are giving AI assistants access to their desktops, their files, their browser history, their emails, their calendars, and in some cases, even their bank accounts. Not because someone proved it was perfectly safe, because it saved 5 minutes. Convenience didn't just beat privacy. It absolutely steamrolled it. And that's what makes this so fascinating. The generation that spent 10 years rejecting cookies is now handing AI something far more valuable: root access. Let's start with developers, because honestly, we're the funniest example. Every AI coding assistant politely asks before running a command in your terminal, "Allow this action?" Yes, every single time. Nobody's reading the command anymore. It could install dependencies. It could rename half your project. It could delete your source code. It could push directly to production on a Friday afternoon. Most people wouldn't notice until GitHub started sending apology emails. Vibe coding made this even worse. Instead of understanding the code, we describe what we want. The AI writes it, runs it, explains it, sometimes even fixes the bugs it created. At some point, it starts understanding your project better than you do. And developers aren't the only ones doing this. AI agents now fill forms, book flights, summarize inboxes, compare prices, shop online, and click buttons you've never even seen. Desktop agents open applications, move files, organize folders, read documents, schedule meetings. Some people have connected these tools directly to payment methods. Imagine explaining that to your 2018 self. I'm not accepting cookies from this weather app, but this AI can spend my money while I'm making coffee. Even smart homes joined the party. Microphones that are always listening, cameras that are always watching, door locks connected to AI assistants, browser extensions with permission to read every web page you visit, installed in under 10 seconds, after approximately 0 seconds of research. But individuals aren't even the biggest story anymore. Companies are. Entire enterprises are rushing to deploy AI agents across finance, engineering, customer support, HR, legal, and operations. And to make those agents useful, they need permissions. Lots of permissions. Read access, write access, API keys, cloud credentials, and sometimes administrator privileges. If you said those words to a security engineer 5 years ago, they'd have started updating their resume on the spot. But today, it's called digital transformation, or AI automation, or intelligent agents. Funny how changing the name makes root access sound like a productivity feature. Some companies are even planning to replace entire teams with AI systems that was built by the very engineers on those teams. That's almost poetic. We're building the thing that's slowly replacing us, and then giving it administrator privileges. Now, to be clear, this isn't an anti-AI rant. AI can save hours of work. It can automate boring tasks. It can genuinely make people more productive. The problem isn't AI. The problem is how quickly convenience changes our standards. We didn't become less paranoid. We just became willing to outsource trust. The permission pop-up never disappeared. It just got a friendlier user interface. So here's the question. If an AI asked for full access to your computer today, would you actually read the permission dialog? Or would your muscle memory click allow before your brain even caught up? Because judging by the last 2 years, I think I already know the answer. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to like the video for more tech commentary and software engineering content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.